बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी, मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 9 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में। कराची शिपयार्ड एंड इंजीनियरिंग वर्क्स लिमिटेड करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। कराची शिपयार्ड एंड इंजीनियरिंग वर्क्स लिमिटेड इज़ ऑफरिंग करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर दोज हु आर लुकिंग टू वर्क इन अच्छा, ये आप लोग खुद देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये मैं यहाँ से बता देती हूँ। सीरियल नंबर 1 पोस्ट नंबर्स असिस्टेंट / डेप्यूटी मैनेजर 2A वर्क प्रिपरेशन पाइपिंग 1, B मशीनरी मूवमेंट / ट्रांसफ़र सिस्टम 1, मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन / एक्सपीरियंस / एज लिमिट नंबर 1 BE in mechanical / metallurgy / material / equivalent to 5 to 8 years experience for DM, 3 years for AM experience in relevant field, 3 age limit 30 to 45 years, 2 assistant / deputy manager hull engineer 4, A section fabrication 2, B section junctioning 2, number 1 BE in mechanical / naval arch / ship construction 5 to 8 years experience of relevant field, or DAE in SWT / ship construction with 15 years experience of shipbuilding industry / naval yard. Number 3 age limit 30 to 45 years. 3 है senior supervisor / supervisor 10, A machinery mounting 2, B pipe fabrication / mounting 2, C pipe welding / brazing 2, D welding 2, E steel fabrication 2, DAE / BTech max / cons ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, metallurgy material equivalent from a recognized institution / foreign qualified in relative technology / BSc with physics and math. Preference will be given to BTech qualified. 2 minimum 8 to 10 years experience for senior supervisor and 5 to 8 years for supervisor in relevant field. Number 3 age limit 30 to 45 years. 4 senior supervisor / supervisor 2 electrical, A equipment mounting 1, B setting to work STW. 1 DAE / BTech electrical / electronic from a recognized institution / BSc with physics and math. Preference will be given to BTech qualified. Number 2 minimum 8 to 10 years for senior supervisor and 5 to 8 years for supervisor in relevant field. Number 3 age limit 30 to 45 years. Senior supervisor / supervisor tech assistant 30, A work order writing technician 10, B work preparator T 15, C scheduler TA 5, mechanical electrical piping welding hull accommodation and preservation. 1 DAE / BTech electrical / electronic max / metallurgy / material / construction from a recognized institution / BSc with physics and math. Preference will be given to BTech qualified. Expertise in understanding construction drawings, familiar with fabrication and welding process, be able to modify drawings in AutoCAD, material estimation from drawing, BOQs, understanding of inspection and test plans / QC checks, proficiency in MS Office / project. Minimum 8 to 10 years for senior supervisor, 5 to 8 years for supervisor and 3 years for TA in relevant field. Number 3 age limit 30 to 45 years. 6 technical assistant QHSC 5, 1 DAE / BTech electrical / ET / max / metallurgy material / construction from a recognized institution / BSc with physics and math. Preference will be given to BTech qualified. 2 quality assurance qualification / certification from a recognized institution or through experience, 3 NABOSH or similar qualification. 4 power gas offshore shipbuilding industry preferable. Experience minimum 5 years for supervisor, 2 to 3 years for TA. Age limit 20 to 45 years. 7 technical assistant QC 22, A QC hull 2, B QC welding 4, CQC electrical 4, DQC mechanical 4, EQC hull outfitting piping 4, FQC hull outfitting paint 4, 1 BTech / DAE mechanical electrical / metallurgy / chemical / material / BSc with physics and math. Number 2, relevant certifications will be preferred. 3, minimum 2 to 3 years experience in relevant field. 4, age limit 20 to 45 years. 8, technical assistant QC NDT 14, A RT operator 3, B UT operator 3, C MPI / DB operator 6, D dark room operator 2. Number 1, DAE / BTech electrical / ET / Mac / metallurgy chemical / material from a recognized institution / BSc with physics and math. Preference will be given to BTech qualified candidates having certification in UT, RT, MT will be preferred. 2 to 3 year experience. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. 9, lab TA / lab assistant 2, pipe pickling / passivation / waste water treatment / acid purifying lab. 1, for lab TADA metallurgy / BSc and for lab assistant FSc pre. Number 2, minimum 2 years of experience at chemical lab dealing required operations. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. 10, technicians grade B and C 212A X-ray welder all positions 40. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है, ये सब की पोस्ट है. और क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस. नंबर 1, मैट्रिक / DAE मैक / elect / equivalent with relevant trade qualification certificate / relaxable in case additional experience. Number 2, minimum 2 to 3 years experience of relevant field for grade C and 7 years for B. Candidate completed KS and EW internships / courses from STS will be preferred. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. 11, office assistant / SAP assistant 5. 1, graduation for OA / intermediate for sub assistant 2, 4 / 2 years experience in MS Office / document and data management must be with typing speed of 30 words per minute. 3, age limit 23 to 45 years. 12, technical storekeeper / assistant storekeeper 5. Graduate for storekeeper DAE max / elect / intermediate for assistant store keeper. Number 2, 4 years experience for storekeeper / 2 years for assistant storekeeper of handling technical stores. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. 11, scaffolder / riggers 5, matrix / medal. Number 2, qualification. Number 2, 2 to 3 years experience in relevant field. Candidates completed course for STS will be preferred. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. 14, sanitary worker 3. Number 1, primary / middle. Number 2, 2 years experience in relevant field. 3, age limit 20 to 45 years. Interested candidates may apply online through KSEW's official website www.karachishipyard.com.pk/page/careers or forward their applications along with 2 passport size photographs, attested copies of CNIC relevant documents to the Office of Deputy General Manager, Admin and Support, MBU 570 to the following address within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement, mentioning the name of post on envelope. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/DA will be admissible. The selected candidates will undergo 3 months probationary period, which will be followed by contract with KS and TW based on performance during probation. Age relaxation may be given / considered for candidates applying for the positions of officers / supervisors depending On additional qualification/experience, all candidates applying for the position of deputy/assistant managers are to provide a copy of their degrees duly verified by HEC and a copy of valid PEC card/registration certificate. All candidates applying for the positions of supervisor/technical assistants are to provide copy of DAE/BTech certificates duly verified by the respective technical board/NTC website www.karachishipyard.com.pk. Deputy General Manager Admin and Support MBU 570 Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works. Telephone number 02199214045 to 64, 02199214045 to 64, extension 506 and 491. वेस्ट वार्फ डॉकयार्ड रोड कराची 74000। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।